Your lesson essential question is, how do we model and solve two-step word problems? So we are still working on problem solving using addition and subtraction with word problems. And we're going to be working with two-step word problems today. So sometimes we need to do two addition problems, sometimes we need to do two subtraction problems, sometimes we have to add and subtract to find an answer. Bob picked 18 flowers and then 5 more. He gave 10 flowers to Buzz. How many flowers does Bob have now? So do me a favor. What is this problem asking us to find? Identify that. Okay, this problem is asking us to find how many flowers does Bob have now. What information in this problem is going to help us solve it? Okay, we know that he picked 18, and then he picked 5 more, and then he gave 10 away. The first thing we need to do before we can solve this is we need to figure out what is the hidden question, because we don't know how many he has now until we know how many he started with. Any ideas of what the hidden question could be? All right, the hidden question is, how many flowers did Bob pick in all? So we don't know how many he has left until we know how many he started with and how many he got rid of. So we know that he picked 18 and then he picked 5 more. So we need to add 18 plus 5. And I'm showing you with pictures 18 plus 5. You've learned quite a few strategies for addition. Go ahead and figure out 18 plus 5. $18 plus 5 is 23. All right, now we know that Bob started with 23. He picked 23 altogether. Now he gives 10 away. Do I need to add or subtract? If you said subtract, we're right. You were right. So he picked 23 and he gives away 10. So we're taking away 10. Go ahead and solve 23 minus 10. If you got 13, you're correct. So you can see we had to do two different steps. First we added and then we subtracted to get the answer to this problem. It's really important that now when you're solving word problems that you're paying attention to, is there a hidden question? You're going to be working on these today.